How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and this is be a little bit kind of an install video, kind of like a little bit of a product review. A lot of you, if you saw the Ashley comeback video, be popping up now, y'all knows I had a chirp in my belt and a squeal from the old belt. Now the old belt, it's worn out, it's got a bunch of stuff, fluid all over it from the engine swap. I used my old belt off my old motor, and it's kind of getting better as time goes on, but the chirp and the squeaking have not gone away. A lot of you commented that I need this certain belt that y'all run, and this is Continental Future of the Motion Elite Poly V belt with quiet channel technology. I got it from Amazon, link will be down in the description. It looks like a very fantastic belt, actually. It looks like a really good quality. It's got this really cool, interesting grooves and channeling that looks like it'd be a lot quieter than the one I've got it now. So that's what I'm gonna be installing on the truck and kind of going over. So we'll do a startup of the old belt so you can hear what I'm talking about, and then we'll do a put this belt on, and then do startup of that belt. As you can hear, that's what the sound it makes right now. So let's go and installing the belt. Oh, it's hot. A little bit of tension on this belt, I can tell you guys that much. Good Lord. Well, when you drop your Oakley glasses in your engine bay, you know you're doing something right. So it probably will take you about 2 people to do this, because I have a new tensioner and it's a pain. So first start up and see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, that sounds really good. That belt actually works. This belt is a whole lot quieter than the old one, and then as the fluid wears off of it too from the engine swap, it'll sound a whole lot better too. Alright guys, I pretty much just spent the best $23 I've ever spent on this truck. This belt actually works. For everyone that commented this down below in my previous video, thank you so much. I mean, just listen to it. It's got a very, very small squeak from the tensioner, but other than that, you cannot tell that it's on at all. It sounds so much better. So let's do a quick little rev up. That was about $3 grand right there. So thank you all so much for commenting that down below. Like I said, I picked it up on Amazon, guys, for your K1500. Here's what it is right here. Here's the parts number. This is with AC, so this is for the belt with your AC in your truck, which most of these trucks came with AC anyways. So that's it right here. I want to thank you all so much for watching this quick little video. If you like it, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.